Hello everyone. Today topic is division of integer. Yes, what do you mean by division? Division means repeated subtraction. So we already learned that yes, division means repeated subtraction, but not that one. Yeah, division of integers. So division of integers nothing but just reverse of that multiplication. Division nothing but reverse of that multiplication. Yes children. So whenever we are multiplying the two numbers, we are getting the product. Yes. So whenever we are multiplying the two numbers, we are getting the product. Yes children. So that is a multiplication. For multiplication having that, yes, two division statements will be there. Yes, one multiplication, two division statements will be there. Let me see what are that statements. Yes, here we can see that 2 into 6 is 12. Yes, so 2 multiply with 6 here. 2 and 6, these two we are calling as a factors. So whenever we are multiplying the two factors, the answer should be as a product. Yes, so 2 multiply with 6. 2 and 6, these two are positive numbers. Yes children, so positive integers. So these multiplying the two positive integers. Yes, so even answer also positive integer. So in last class we already learning plus into plus is equal to plus positive integer. Yes, or multiplying the two positive integer, the answer also positive integer. So 2 into 6 is equal to 12. So this is a multiplication fact. Yes, for one multiplication fact, two division facts. Yes, so whatever the product or answer 12, first divide with. So here which operation we are applying? Division. Yes, so divide with first any one number, 2 or 6, whatever it is that. First I am taking that 6. Yes, 12 divided by 6. So what is an answer? 2. So what is that? That next number is an answer. Yes children. So 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. So this is one of the statement. And next one is that, so same as it is the 12, the product only. Yes, so whatever the answer, so that answer divided by the one of the factor. Yes, so here 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Yes, just reverse. Now here we are dividing with 6. Now next dividing with 2. Now 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. So here whenever we are dividing the 6, answer should be 2. Whenever we are dividing with 2, answer should be 6. So for this multiplication fact, how many division facts will be there? 2 division facts will be there. So these two are division facts of the given multiplication. So like that one multiplication fact, how many division facts will be there? 2 division statements will be there. Yes children. So here we are taking the two positive integers. Yes. So here even answer also positive integer. Yes, now here 12 is the positive integer, divide with again positive integer. So what is the answer? Even answer also positive integer. Even in another statement also like that only. Yes children, so whenever we are dividing the two positive integer, the answer also positive integer. Yes, so nothing but plus divided by plus is equal to positive integer. Yes, now we can see that any one of that negative integer. Now next one is the 2 into minus 6. Yes, 2 into minus 6. Yes, so 2 is positive, minus 6 is the negative. Plus into minus, minus. So here we are applying the multiplication. Yes, so plus into minus, minus. So 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. So in last class we already learned that multiplication facts. So plus into minus is negative integer or minus. Yes, for this multiplication fact we can write as a two division statements. So what are those? Let me see that. Yeah, just how we are writing that. So same as it is like that only we will write now. Yes, so what is an answer here? Minus 12. So now we are writing the division statement. So division symbol. Yes, now first we can divide with minus 6. Yes, so minus 12 divide by minus 6. So same just before that, whenever we are dividing with 6, 2 is an answer. Divide with 2, 6 is an answer. Same like that only. Minus 12 divide with 6, minus 6. Yes, so what is the next number? 2. Yes, so 2 is a positive or negative? Positive integer. Yes, so minus divide with minus. So negative integer divide with negative integer. The answer should be positive integer. Yes, so and next one is that minus 12. So just now we completed that minus 6. Now divide with 2. Yes, so whenever divide with 2, the next number is an answer. So minus 12 divide with 2. What is an answer? Minus 6. Yes children, so minus 12 divide with 2 is minus 6. Yes, so once you observe here 12 and 6, these two are positive integer. Answer should be positive. So what is that means? Plus divide by plus or positive integer divide with positive integer. Answer should be positive. Yes children. Now here negative integer divide with negative integer, but answer should be positive. Yes, so whenever the both are positive or both are negative, answer should be positive integer only. Yes, so both are positive integers or both are negative integers, we can divide. The answer should be positive integer. Yes, now coming to the point here. Here this is the negative integer, but this is the positive integer. So one is the negative, one is the positive, but answer should be negative integer. Yes children. So one is the negative or one is the positive, but answer should be negative integer. Yes, same as it is like in a multiplication only. So how we are learning that multiplication fact? Yes, so once we can recall that multiplication fact, plus into plus, plus. Once look at here multiplication facts. Yes, so first plus into plus, plus. Yes, minus into minus, plus. So both are same integers or both are negative integer, both are positive integer, the answer should be positive. In case here one is the negative, one is the positive, or one is the positive, next one is the negative. Okay, at least one negative, one positive integer. Yes, so but that for that negative integer will be there. Even division also like that only. Yes, so like that only we can see that one more multiplication fact. Minus 2 into minus 6 is equal to 12. So here I am taking for multiplication, both are negative integers. So answer should be positive. So minus into minus is plus. Yes, so for this multiplication fact we can write the two division facts. Yes, so whatever the answer, 12. 12 divided by first minus 6. So 12 divided by minus 6. Here plus, so this is the minus. So answer, what is the next number? Minus 2. Minus 2 is an answer. So one is the plus, next one is the minus. So but answer should be negative integer. Yes, even here also 12 divide with the next number. What is that? Minus 2. 12 divide with minus 2. What is an answer? Minus 6. Yes children. So one of the positive and next one is the negative. Positive integer divide with negative is negative, or negative integer divide with positive is negative. Yes children, given the two integers we can divide. Yes, whenever we are dividing the two integers, at least one is the negative, the answer should be negative. Yes children, here both are negative integers, answer should be positive. Both are positive integers, answer should be positive. Yes, now we can see that. Yes, so what are the division facts? Note down this one children. So this is that important one. You have to copy it in your notebook and by head it or learn it. Yes, so division facts. Plus divided by plus is equal to positive integer, or positive integer divided by positive integer is equal to positive integer. Yes, minus divided by minus is equal to also plus. Yes, plus divided by minus is also minus, and minus divided by plus is also minus. Yes, both are same integers. So both are positive or both are negative, means the answer should be positive. At least any one is that positive or negative. One is the positive, one is the negative, means negative integer. So these all are the division facts. Yes, using the division facts, now let me see that some questions. Yes children, here minus 100 divide with 5. Yes, so minus 100 means 100 is a negative integer, divide with 5 is a positive. So minus divide by positive. What is that? Minus divide by plus integer. Okay, so minus 100 divide by 5. Yes, so minus divide with plus is equal to what is an answer? Negative integer. Yes, now here first we can do the division here. So minus 100. So this is the numerator and 5 is in a denominator. Yes, so numerator and denominator first we can cut it. Here 5 ones are 5 and then after 5 twos are 10 and carry the 0. Yes children, now 5 20s are 100. Yes, 20. Now minus divide with plus, no? So minus divide with plus. So what is an answer? Minus. So what is an answer? Minus 20. So minus 100 divided by 5 is equal to minus 20. Yes children. Yes, now one more question we can see. 80 divided by minus 5. Yes, so 80 is positive integer divided with negative integer. Yes, so positive integer divided by negative integer. So positive integer divided by negative integer is negative integer. Yes, children. So 80 divided by 5. Now 80 is a numerator, minus 5 is a denominator. Yes, first we can cancel it here. So 5 ones are 5, and again here 5 table where 80 will come. Yes, so 5 ones are 5, 8 minus 5 330, so 6. Yes, so 16 5s are 80, so answer should be 16. And yes children, here minus will be there, no, so minus 16. 80 divided by minus 5 is minus 16, so answer should be minus 16. Yes, here positive integer divided with negative is negative integer. Yes children. Now one more question. Minus 36 divided by minus 4. Here now I am taking the two are negative integers. Yes, so minus 36 divided by minus 4. So minus 36 is the numerator, minus 4 is the denominator. So whenever we are dividing the two negative integers, the answer should be positive integer. So whenever we are dividing the two negative integers, the answer should be positive integers. So yes, like that. So here minus 36 divided by minus 4. Yes, now 4 ones are 4 and 4 nines are 36. Answer should be 9. 9 plus 9 or minus 9? Yes, plus 9 are positive integer 9. Yes children. Yes children, I am giving the some problems, so remaining questions you can solve it. Here once whenever you can solve, before that you can note down these all those points and copy these sums, and you can do that remaining sums. Yes children. Okay, thank you.